the energy out. Get it out. Okay. Okay, hi everybody. Say hi, Ro.
Hi.
Hi. Today, Rowan and I are here to demonstrate a few activities that you can do with, what are these called, Rowan?
The large number cards.
The large number cards. These were sent to you in a PDF of this week's plan. I printed them at home and then cut them out, and here they are. So these are the large number cards placed in their large number card layout. What I did was I scattered them all around the mat for Rowan, all messed up in no order, and then she went running around the mat, collecting them and placing them into the large number card layout, hopefully burning some energy in the process. The large number cards are great because they teach children about the hierarchies of the decimal system, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. They teach children to put numbers in order. They teach children to read numbers and build numbers. So today we'll do a demonstration of a few of those activities with our large number cards with Rowan and I. You ready, Ro? Okay, so the first step is identifying. So Rowan, get your pointing finger out. Pointing finger out, and show me 8 units. Rowan, in control of your body, remember, calm. 8 units. Okay, show me 60. Point to 500. Actually, point with your pointing finger, yep. Point to 3,000. Okay, come, lean over and actually, point to 110. Okay, remember, no silliness. Okay, point to 2 units. Actually, get close so the people watching can actually see which numeral you're pointing to. There we go. Okay, so you could carry on with that for a while. The next thing we're going to do is have Rowan name the numbers that I point to. So here we go, Rowan. What is this?
6.
Yeah. What is this?
80.
What is this?
500.
Yeah. What number is this?
7,000.
Good. What number is this?
200.
What number is this? Why are we singing? 9. Okay. So you can practice that for a while. Just a tip. I call these numbers, Rowan, stop. I call these numbers in the tens the drink your tea number. So like I'm having tea with the queen, all fancy, sticking my pinky out. And that way you can give them that visual cue to pronounce the name of the number properly, or to identify the number, name the number, correctly. So 8T, 6T. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is have Rowan build some numbers. And obviously each of these steps you do for a lot longer with your child. I'm just going through them quickly so you can have an overview. Okay, Rowan, can you build the number 58 using the large number cards, please? We're not going to dilly-dally, remember, Rowan? Let's get 58. We'll put it right here at the bottom of the rug where everyone can see it. Does this say 58? Rowan. Okay, so where does the unit card belong? 58.
But where did we see that?
Okay, now your body's in the way though. So yeah, you made 58 correctly. Scooch out of the way. There we go. So 5 tens and 8 units. When you put them together, they make the number 58. All right, Rowan, can you please build the number 724? 724. Come on, Rowan, keep moving so we don't have to film the video again. 724.
700?
Mm-hmm.
That is 700.
Okay, place it on the bottom of the rug and then go for the next number card. 724.
It's stuck to me, Mommy.
Okay.
When 7, when I build, so I build 720.
Yep. 724. It's a glamorous hair flip. Okay, Rowan, let's move a little quicker. It'll be bedtime by the time we're done with this. All right, so Rowan has built the number 724. There's a 7 in the place for hundreds, a 2 in the place for tens, and a 4 in the place for units. Okay, and then I would carry on and get her to build something in the thousands, like 4,386. So because Rowan has worked with all 4 of these hierarchies, I can do that. If your child, for example, has perhaps only worked with the tens and units, then you would just do identifying, naming, building, and reading of numbers with the tens and units. Same goes for if they've only done the hundreds, tens, and units. So you can ask your child's teacher, or perhaps your child will be able to tell you themselves which of the groups of numbers they've worked with. All right, so now we're going to move on to the reading part. Here we go, Rowan. Can you please read this number for me?
77.
Very good. Can you please read this number for me?
348.
348, very good. Some children might say 300, 4 tens and 8 units. That's also correct because that's what the number is built from. She's just reading it a little bit more abstractly, so she's clearly had a lesson on how to read numbers that way. But first they learn how to read them 300s, 4 tens, 8 units. Okay, now a 4-digit number, Rowan. We're going to read a 4-digit number. Okay.
9,909 and 90.
And 90 what?
And 99.
Yes, don't forget the number in the place for units. So 9,999. This is the biggest number that you can build with these large number cards. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, giving you a few ideas of what to do with these large number cards. Soon I think we'll be sending you corresponding cutouts of quantities that they can match with these large number cards. But yeah, this should get you started. They're a great way to teach numeracy. I highly recommend it. All right, Rowan, let's say bye. Thank you for watching, everybody.
Bye. Shout out to Chloe and Molly.
Shout out to everyone. Woo woo. Shout out. More mathematics. Okay, Rowan.